I'm Liz and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be an interesting one because we will talk about an eyebrow product that they say it mimics the microblading effect or your natural brow. That's why I did my makeup already, but this part I skipped this one so that I can show you how to use it and also my thoughts about this product. So if you want to know what this product is, please keep on watching. But before that one guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button below. So without further ado, let's get down to this product. This is the product that I got from Etude House, so I'm not so sure how to pronounce it. This is the Tint My 4 Tip Brow. I got it like more than a month ago. I just started to use this product like 2 weeks ago. And this one, I think it costs around $15.90 Singapore dollars. So yeah, and I got it, so I got the shade of 02 dark brown. So I'm going to show you the actual packaging of the product. When I went to Etude House, I only wanted I think that one that tint my brow something, and then I saw this one. I think during that time it was their new product, and yeah, and this is how it looks like. Oops. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, according to this one, the 4-fork marker tint brow provides natural tanning effect on eyebrow skin like my own eyebrow texture without smudge. Okay, so how to use this one after tidying up the eyebrows without applying any basic skincare product or makeup, apply according to your desired eyebrow shape. For stronger pigmentation, apply before going to bed and can also be used in the morning and afternoon. Then after use, avoid using cleansing product on the eyebrow area within 24 hours or touching the area. So meaning this one, it stays longer. So it's not just for one day, it's longer than that. This is it guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the other part. It's just that this part of my eyebrow, it's really hard for me to fill it in because this part here, it's somewhat like it's bald actually. It doesn't have hair in here, so I really need to do some like a hair like strokes when applying my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna do it off cam and we'll be right back and show you the result as well as my thoughts about this product. I'm done with both of my brows and I look totally different before and after doing my brows guys. So really, brow is life. That's why we're always in search of a good brow product. Thoughts about this product. I've been using it for 3 weeks already. What I would normally do, I apply it in the evening, before going to bed. So after I cleanse my face, making sure that I didn't put anything on my eyebrow, not even a moisturizer, and then apply it, and this is how it looks like the morning after. So this product doesn't only last for 1 day. For me, it lasted for 3 days, and then on the 4th day, there's still some shade on it, but of course, it faded a bit already. So you just need to apply a little bit of your eyebrow using your eyebrow pencil. So yeah, I'm totally pleased with this one because as you can see, it doesn't really move. It doesn't, it doesn't smudge at all. It still stays in place. You can actually go swimming and your eyebrow still looks perfect. So if you're like me guys who doesn't want to go microblading or tattooing your eyebrow, this one is good for you, but of course it only lasts for a few days, but this will work. So yeah, this is the product that I'm still continue to use and repurchase. I totally love this product, especially right now. It's summer, you go to beach, use this product. It works really well. So pleased with it and I totally love it. So guys, if you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching and I see you on my next video. Bye!